This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to create a wish list on Amazon Audible. So I'm logged into my Amazon Audible account right here through my Amazon account, and you will need to obviously be logged in order to see your wish list. So we have these options right here: browse, library, and the wish list is one of the options at the top here. So when we click into the wish list, you'll see that there are 0 titles. I don't have anything. My wish list is currently empty. So now it gives us this option to browse the catalog. Now it brings us back to the main page here. So essentially we can add items to the wish list from anywhere. So we can go into these categories. We can click on these books here. So if I click into a category and then we find a book, let's just click on a random book. This one right here, Forgive and Forget. Now we can click on the more options, and now we can choose to add this one to the wish list. So let's just add a couple to the wish list. Once we click that, it's ticked and it says added to the wish list. Let's add this one as well. So there's this Rebecca Yurus book. Again, more options, and we can add to the wish list. Let's add one more. Let's do it from the main page. So let's click over to the main browse page. And then we've got this George Orwell's 1984 right here. Let's go with this one. So again, we click on more options and we click to add to wish list. So it's now in the wish list. When we now click on the wish list at the top, you should see, yeah, bang, we have 3 titles added to the wish list. We can now kind of manipulate these here. We can remove them from the wish list. If we don't want this one on there, for instance, we can just click remove. Now we'll instantly remove that. That is how you build up your wish list. If there's certain audiobooks that you want to actually listen to over time, you can add them to your wish list, and then once you actually purchase them, you can remove them from your wish list. So hopefully this video on how to create a wish list on Amazon Audible has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.